Troy Hawes, and welcome once again to another edition of My Acoustic Lounge. Today we're going to travel back to the 80s and review a great rock song called Good Times. It was written by George Young and another gentleman named Harry Vanda. I hope I said that right. Of course, performed by Inxs Jimmy Barnes. Good Times appeared on the 1987 soundtrack to The Lost Boys and peaked at number 47 on the Billboard Hot 100. Now, before we get started, be sure to click the subscribe button, as I'm always trying to put up new content on a regular basis. In addition, if you like my guitar tutorials and covers, you might actually also like my original music, which can now be purchased or streamed from any one of your favorite online music providers. Simply look up Troy Hawes and you'll find my music there. Now what we're going to do first is we're going to have a look at the chords that you're going to need to know. Then we'll perform an acoustic lounge version of this great song. Afterwards, we'll go in depth and have a closer look at the chord progression. And as always, I'm going to use a great backbeat from my Beat Buddy by Singular Sound. So if you want to learn a great rock song from the 80s, stick around. We're going to get started right now. Okay, in order to get all the way through Good Times, you're going to need to know 4 basic chords. Let's have a look at them right now. The first one is a G major. You're going to need to know a D chord. You're going to need to know an A. And finally, there's an E. That's it. Those 4 chords are going to get you all the way through this great song. Let's get to the cover.
Everybody shake, everybody groove, everybody shake. Mary, Mary, you're on my mind. The folks are gone and the place will be mine. I said, lounge, old Sally's gonna be with Slim. Short, fat Fanny's gonna be there too. This is what I'm gonna do. Gonna put a call to you, 'cause I feel good tonight. Everything's gonna be right, right, right. Gonna have a good time tonight. Rock and roll music gonna play all night. Come on, baby, it won't take long. Only take a minute just to sing my song. Bona Maroney's gonna be with Jim. I said, long tall Sally's gonna be with Slim. Short, fat Fanny's gonna be there too. This is what I'm gonna do. Gonna put a call to you, 'cause I feel good tonight. Everything's gonna be right, right, right. Gonna have a good
let's just jump right into the chord progression of this great song. We're going to break it into basically 3 parts for you. We're going to have a look first of all at the verses. Then we're going to have a look at what could be considered the pre-chorus. Then we'll finish things off with a look at the chorus itself. There's not really much in the way of a bridge to this song, making it just a tad bit easier to play. With that said, let's get to the verses. All right, starting with the G major, the verses go something like this. Mary, Mary, you're on my mind. The folks are gone and the place will be mine. Mary, Mary, I want to be with you. And then that jumps into the pre-chorus. Let's have a look. Okay, the pre-chorus starts on the A major chord and goes something like this. And this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put a call to you, 'cause I feel good tonight, and everything's gonna be right, right, right. And then right into the chorus. Let's have a look at it now. Starting with the A major chord, the chorus goes something like this. Gonna have a good time tonight, rock and roll music gonna play all night. Come on baby, it won't take long, only take a minute just to sing my song, yeah. And that's it. There you have it, a very easy song to play. Good Times, performed by Inxs and Jimmy Barnes. Thank you for tuning in to another edition of My Acoustic Lounge. I appreciate you taking the time to watch my tutorial. If you like my videos, please consider subscribing. I do truly, truly appreciate it. Until the next time, keep playing. Music is good for the soul.